Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that combines all the best AI models in one place? Well, your wish just came true. If you're tired of juggling multiple AI tools, constantly switching between platforms, and struggling with productivity, Zemith is the perfect solution. Today, we're diving deep into the Zemith Lifetime Deal, a game-changing AI-powered platform that simplifies your workflow. Let's explore how Zemith can transform your productivity. What is Zemith? Zemith is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to top AI models for chat, search, document analysis, note-taking, and image generation. It integrates powerful tools like ChatGPT, Gemini Advanced, Claude, and Perplexity to help you automate tasks, streamline workflows, and boost efficiency. With AI-powered search, intelligent document processing, and creative visual tools, Zemith is designed to cut through AI fatigue and make productivity effortless. Whether you're managing projects, brainstorming ideas, or creating content, Zemith keeps everything in one seamless, user-friendly platform. Don't miss these AppSumo lifetime bargains. The regular official pricing is over $216, but at AppSumo, you're getting it for just $59, a one-time payment, and lifetime access. Now, let's check out the features and pricing of this lifetime deal. License Tier 1, one-time purchase of $59, originally valued at $216. Offering 3,000 credits per month, access to core AI models, AI-powered chat, search, and note-taking, access to on-demand credits, AI-powered document analysis, AI notepad features, summarization, grammar fix, TLDR, etc. License Tier 2, one-time purchase of $339, originally valued at $432. Offering 17,000 credits per month, everything in Tier 1. Plus, unlimited usage for Google Gemini 1.5 and 2.0 models. Access to OpenAI o1 and o3 mini models. AI-powered video generation. Access to Pro AI models for advanced users. Custom system prompts and prompt gallery. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months and see if it's right for you. 6 most important features that make Zemith special. AI-powered chat companion. Need quick answers? Zemith provides real-time AI chat assistance to streamline your work. AI-powered search engine. No more endless Googling. Get detailed, relevant results with sources, summaries, and related queries. Advanced document analysis. Extract key insights, summarize content, and even chat with your documents to get answers fast. AI Notepad for smarter notes. Fix grammar, simplify text, generate TLDRs, and even convert text into podcasts for on-the-go learning. AI-powered image generation. Create high-quality visuals for social media, clients, and marketing campaigns without a designer. AI-powered coding assistance. Visualize, debug, and preview your code on the fly with AI-assisted support. People who can benefit from Zemith. Marketing agencies, SaaS founders, solopreneurs, content creators, developers and coders, students and researchers, e-commerce owners. Do you fit the bill, or know someone who does? Dive into the world of Zemith and unlock next-level productivity. Unveil a 10% bonus deal on AppSumo today. Got your eyes on the Zemith Lifetime Deal at AppSumo? Well, here's a little insider tip for you. On top of that sweet $59 deal, there's a way to snag an additional 10% discount. How to get the deal? Visit AppSumo's Zemith Lifetime Deal page. Look for a discount pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Use the same email at checkout. Check your inbox for the 10% off promo code. Savings on savings. Why wait? Jump in and claim your deal before it's gone. Reviews that Zemith Lifetime Deal on AppSumo gets. Are you ready to transform your productivity? Zemith is the ultimate one-stop AI shop that combines chat, search, document analysis, note-taking, and image generation into a single platform. Check out the description below for all the details and grab that lifetime deal before it disappears. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Get lifetime access to Zemith today.